Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. One of my colleague gave me this phone and said that the phone is dead. He has tried everything to switch on the phone. As you can see, I've opened the phone. The phone is a Huawei. It's a Huawei. I've opened the phone. So I noticed something. This is the battery of the phone. The way I tried to switch on the phone with the battery. It seems as if the battery is no more working. The battery is having a problem. The battery is not able to switch the phone even though I tried boosting the battery. So I had to put a new battery. I had to put a new battery, and then when I switch the phone, okay, you can see the phone is on. I noticed that sometimes the phone will switch on and come to the menu, and sometimes it's not going to get to the menu. It's going to stop at techno, or it's going to restart like as you see. You see the phone restarts. Sometimes it comes on, sometimes it restarts, sometimes it's just going to stuck at Huawei. As you can see, going off. Now you can see that the phone is stuck. It's stuck at Huawei. You see, stuck at Huawei. Not able to come on. Not able to get to the menu. So I'm going to remove the PCB and try to do some troubleshooting to see what is causing the problem. So we are going to take out the PCB. So since I don't have a DC power supply, so it's difficult for me to just know the problem of the phone. So what I had to do, I'm just going to use what I have to try to solve the problem, to see if it's going to work. Take out the motherboard. Let's do some troubleshooting and see if we can repair this phone. First of all, I'm going to take out the sheet of the charging. Uh, the network section. So as you can see, I've removed the shield of the network section, and behind, I show you carefully. You can see this is the charging section. You check it carefully. This is the charging section. This is the CPU. This is the CPU. And this side should be the backlight section. So we are going to try to and check for shorting. So the PCB is having a short. Let's check for shorting. Going to use our multimeter. Put it on buzzer mode. Let's check and see whether we are going to have some shorts. As you can see, there are capacitors there. I'm going to check it. Sorry. No one is short here. This motherboard, it seems to have a half short. Let's check the charging section. This is the charging section. Let's check it. Oh, this coil is fully short. As you can see, the coil is fully short. This coil is fully short. So, as you can see, this is the charging section, and this coil is fully short. So, because I did not, I'm not with my DC power, my hot air gun. So, if I had my hot air gun, I would have taken out this inductor. Maybe the inductor that is having a problem, but still, without notwithstanding, I'm going to use my iron, soda iron, in order to, I'm going to use my short killer, in order to find the component that is shorting. Let me test that section again. I'm going to test again. So it's this coil that is having the full short. So I'm suspecting this coil. The coil is the problem. Unfortunately, I don't have my hot air gun with me. I would have take out this inductor. I would have changed it at once. So I'm sure this inductor should be the problem. Let me try first and use my hot air gun, my iron, my DC power supply, my sorry, short killer, not DC power supply, short killer. This is a short killer. Let me try to use it and see if it is that inductor that is having a problem. So this is the negative. It goes to the ground, puts it on the ground. I could not get over here. Seems as if this iron is not working. This is a very bad iron. Iron is not working. It's not a good one. As you can see, it's a very bad iron. It's not able. It's a very bad iron. So what I'm going to do, since I don't have my hot air gun, I'm just going to do it directly like that. Let's just do it directly and see if it's going to work. If it does not work, then tomorrow we are going to bring the hot air gun and then see. So what I'm going to do, going to put the negative on the ground, and then I'll use the positive. I'm going to use the positive on that inductor. Let's put it again. You see, I saw some smoke coming from something on the capacitor. I saw some smoke. Let me zoom it and see. So some smoke coming from somewhere. Let me put it again and see. Saw the smoke. Let's try it again. I'm going to try it again. Pay attention carefully and see. You see that? You see that smoke coming out from? I. It's coming out from the inductor. Is that inductor that is having the fault? So you can see the smoke is coming out from the inductor. It's coming out from the inductor. So tomorrow I'm going to change that inductor. I'm sure the inductor is a problem. Let's test it again and see. See if we are going to have the same problem. And then tomorrow we are going to change that inductor. That inductor should be the one causing the half short. Let me check. Let's see if we are still going to have that short on that inductor. You see, full short on the inductor. So we are going to change it tomorrow. Is that inductor that is having the full short? Every other component is okay except that inductor. So you see, tomorrow we are going to change, we are going to continue with the part 2 of this video, and then we are going to change this inductor. After we change it, then I'm sure it's going to work. It's that inductor that is causing the half shot. So we are going to change it, remove it, we test and see, and then we are going to, if it's the inductor, then we change it. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel for more interesting video. And tomorrow we are going to continue with the part 2 of this video, because I did not carry my hot air gun in order to troubleshoot this phone, but I'm going to do it tomorrow. So stay tuned as we continue with the troubleshooting. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your support, and see you tomorrow.